We have two groups of marbles on screen, 5 blue marbles and 2 red marbles. And if I asked you to tell me how many total marbles are there, some of you might write, well, there's 5 blue ones plus 2 red ones, so there's 7 marbles in total. But some of you might start counting with the red, and you'd say there's 2 red ones plus 5 blue ones, which still gives you a total of 7 marbles. So the important thing here is that 5 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 5. It doesn't matter which order we add in, because we're counting the same number of marbles. And this is a really important property of addition. It's called the commutative property of addition. And it says that if we have any two numbers, a and b, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. So it doesn't matter which order we add two numbers in.